From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could breathe easier and sleep better with just one simple device? The Molekule Glow Humidifier is here to change that. This smart humidifier is a game changer. With its app-controlled system and mess-free design, it's perfect for any home. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's well-reviewed, which is a testament to its effectiveness. The Molekule Glow Humidifier has a 2.8-liter tank capacity and adjustable humidity levels, making it perfect for wide coverage and providing a consistent air hydration system that emits a gentle mist and soft ambient glow. This quiet ultrasonic humidifier provides a soothing atmosphere, adding calm and comfort to bedrooms or nurseries, and its soft glow is especially useful for nurseries, creating a peaceful ambience that promotes healthy sleep. With its high-capacity tank, you can enjoy up to 8 hours of continuous use, and its compact design makes it easy to place anywhere in your home. The Molekule Glow Humidifier also supports healthier skin and dry skin relief, and improves sleep quality, resulting in a more comfortable living environment. In real-life use cases, this humidifier has been a lifesaver for people who suffer from dry skin and sinus issues, providing instant relief and comfort. It's also perfect for parents who want to create a peaceful sleep environment for their babies. What sets the Molekule Glow Humidifier apart from other humidifiers is its smart technology and LED lights, which provide a unique and comforting experience. Overall, the Molekule Glow Humidifier is a must-have for anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality and overall well-being, and with its numerous benefits and features, it's an investment that's well worth considering, so why not give it a try and start breathing easier and sleeping better tonight? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.